Hello everyone, we are now on the part 4 of our e-IPCRF. Para po sa mga hindi po masyadong nag-gets kung ano po ang i-input sa part 4, narito po ang guide. Take note po na this is based on the results of ESAT and also based on the agreements on the performance monitoring and coaching form and media review form. And also based on the actual results of IPCRF. FYI, the ratee can modify the cell or add rows to reflect his or her development needs and strengths. Meron po itong 6 na part. First is strengths, next is development needs, and then action plan. Under po nito, learning objectives and intervention, then the timeline and resources needed. Meron po siyang 2 parte. First, functional competencies, and second, core behavioral competencies. So first, sa functional competencies natin sa strengths, makikita po natin yan sa Part 1 Proficient. Refer po tayo sa Part 1 Proficient, tapos titingnan po natin kung sa aling objective or KRA tayo may mataas na puntos. So yun po ang ilalagay natin sa functional competencies under the strength. So, gagawin po natin, kokopyahin lang po natin ang KRA and objective. Here, halimbawa, KRA 4, objective 10, designed, selected, organized, and use diagnostic test or diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment strategies consistent with curriculum requirements. Next is development needs or ang ating weakness or kung aling KRA or objective tayo may mababang puntos. So yun po ang ilalagay natin sa development needs. So hanapin po natin sa Part 1 Proficient kung aling objective or KRA tayo may mababang puntos. Development needs meaning yung need natin i-develop from the word development. So, yun po ang need nating ma-develop or ma-improve. Para po sa susunod, tataas na po ang ating puntos. So, for example, ang development needs ko ay ang KRA 1, Objective 3. Applied a range of teaching strategies to develop critical and creative thinking as well as other higher order thinking skills. Next is KRA 3, Objective 8, participated in collegial discussions that use teacher and learner feedback to enrich teaching practice. Now, punta po tayo sa action plan under learning objectives. Acquire knowledge, strategies, methods, and techniques on applying teaching strategies across curriculum to enhance learner achievement and to provide differentiated instruction to learners. Next is intervention. Ito po ay kung ano ang ating gagawin para po ma-improve ang ating development needs. So, ang pwede po nating gawin, applying knowledge gained from insets or trainings, webinars, seminars, and workshops to enhance learner achievement in critical and creative thinking as well as other higher order thinking skills. Para po sa timeline, ang ilalagay po natin ay year-round. Next is resources needed. Kung ano pong kailangan natin para po ma-achieve natin kung ano po ang ating goal. That includes local funds, MOOE, school head and supervisor, learning and development groups in social media who offer free webinars. Now, punta po tayo sa part 2, which is core behavioral competencies. So, under strengths, refer po tayo sa encoding part 2, core behavioral competencies. So, balikan po natin at hanapin ang competency kung saan mataas ang ating points. So, yun po ang ating strength or ilalagay natin under strength. So, here, ang ilalagay ko ay professionalism and ethics. Kasi po, halimbawa, perfect po tayo dyan. Nagawa natin lahat ng competencies. So, yun po ang ilalagay natin. And also, results focus. So, dapat po, yung ilalagay natin ay totoo po talaga nating nagawa. Kasi nakakahiya naman po kung naglalagay tayo ng details dyan or yung naglalagay tayo ng competency pero hindi naman natin pala nagawa yun. Nakakahiya po sa ating principal. Next is development needs under core behavioral competencies. Yung part na weak or yung weakness natin. So, hanapin po natin kung aling competency may mababa po tayong puntos or hindi natin nakumpleto. Hindi natin nagawa ng kumpleto yung competencies. So, for example, sa akin is self-management and teamwork. Okay. So, may isang di ko na check. So, yun po ang ilalagay natin sa development needs. And also, innovation. Okay. Now, pupunta naman po tayo sa learning objectives. So, ang ilalagay natin ay prioritize work task and schedule. Yan po ay kung anong gagawin natin when it comes to self-management. Okay, so about teamwork naman, work constructively and collaboratively with others. Okay, ano naman pong intervention ang gagawin natin? So, mag-a-attend tayo ng seminars and workshop para po ma-improve ang ating self-management and teamwork. For timeline, ilalagay pa rin po natin is year-round. Para naman po sa resources needed, so ilalagay po natin ay school funds and school head and supervisor. Ang maglalagay po ng feedback ay ang ating rater. So ayan, tapos na po tayo. Pwede na po nating i-print ang ating e-IPCRF. So pagkatapos nating i-print, so dapat po nating pirmahan at saka ipa-check natin sa ating school head or principal. Since tapos na po tayo, pwede na po nating i-finalize ang part 4. Yay! At last, natapos na rin natin ang input ng details sa ating IPCRF. So, input po natin yung password para po malak na po ang Part 4. Take note, when all parts of the IPCRF are accomplished, the ratee must submit the file copy of his or her IPCRF electronic form to the department head or school head for the school-wide consolidation. He or she must print all the pages of this form and submit to the personnel division of the school to be attached to his or her 201 personnel file. Ayan po. So, input ang password para po malak ang or ma-finalize ang part 4. Okay, finally, pwede na po nating i-print ang ating e-IPCRF. Happy printing, everyone! For more interesting educational videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get updated of my latest videos.